Bonjour à tous, nous nous retrouvons pour une nouvelle émission du magazine Afrozik. Une émission qui vous permet de découvrir ou redécouvrir des mouvements de musiques africaines, de leur genèse jusqu'à leur apparition en France ainsi que de leurs influences. Aujourd'hui, nous allons aborder le thème de l'Afrobeat Highlife. Créé dans les années 70, l'Afrobeat fut baptisé par le célèbre musicien Fela Ransome Kuti. Le premier groupe de Fela s'appelait Kula Lobitos, rebaptisé Africa 70 en 1970. L'Afrobeat, musique fusion de rythme highlife, jazz et d'autres éléments musicaux spécifiques rayonnent aujourd'hui bien au-delà du Nigeria. Fela est décédé en 1997, mais nombre de ses musiciens et disciples ont poursuivi le chemin. Nous accueillons aujourd'hui un grand musicien et un grand héritier de ce mouvement musical, Chief Udo Essiet, musicien et compositeur. Celui-ci va nous interpréter tout de suite Who Go Make I'm Better in Africa, composé par Chéri Margolin et bien entendu Chief Udo Essiet. À vous, messieurs, dames. Merci Udo, merci Chéri. Regardons maintenant un portrait de Chief Udo Essiet, un portrait signé Pascal Stoller.
I was born in Nigeria, a village called Anam in Ikore, Benin. I started playing music in my mother's kitchen door. So my way after that Biafra war drive me away from my family, divide everybody. When I arrived Lagos, I started selling twisting without wearing shoe. Victor Olaiya mother always buy my twisting and he speak my language. I went to Olaiya house. He said, "You'd like to stay with me?" I said, "Yes." So so when Olaiya went to play concert, you have to make sure I'm the one taking care of my piece of his trumpet. So when we make practice, I start picking maracas, I play some instrument. Olaiya telling me, today you're going to be the one playing the conga. So I start playing conga that night. We're going back home, Olaiya telling me, from today you are a musician. When I've been listening to all these guys, I say, oh, high life music with Afrobeat is combination. But the young kids of today, they don't know about how to put it. And the rhythm is the boss. So Fela, when he back from America, Fela making his own way of jazz, high life, mixing with high life, because Fela been finding ways to have his own sound. Fela with Olaiya, they're this friend or no friend, because they've been playing together for a long, long time ago. So I've been playing with all these big stars. It make me, I know what is Afrobeat, high life be. They're all powerful together. So Ghetto Blaster was the first group known in France in Afrobeat. We brought Afrobeat to France. France is the ambassador of Afrobeat. My music is spiritual music. It's not music I just singing in Portugal. It makes sense. My music makes sense. If you don't listen to, you don't understand the lyrics, the beat will take you somewhere. So that's why music is a weapon.
Chief Udo Essett est venu nous rejoindre maintenant sur le beau fauteuil de l'émission Afrozik. Alors nous allons demander à Chief qu'est-ce qu'était le high life? What was high life? What is high life? Actually?
High life is a medicine music in Africa. High life is the music that we're born with. So Afrobeat come from high life. So high life music is that like a blues. When you listen in the coffee bar, in the street, telling the story, sing about what's going on in the village, that's high life.
Mm-hmm. Alors, le high life s'est joué dans toute l'Afrique anglophone. High life is played all in English-spoken African countries.
Yeah, but all part in Africa, we have high life. In West Africa, all music we play is high life because it's original music from the village. So everybody have the different way of playing. What be high life? Because in those days they say, oh, people playing high life, the people taking life very high. That's the style of high life. Say, oh, you play high life, your life is very high. That's high life.
Chief Udo, quand vous étiez jeune, vous êtes né en 1959. Quand vous étiez jeune, le high life était déjà très vivant. When you were young, the high life was still going on?
Yeah, I born with high life. I've been start playing high life even in my mother's kitchen door. Mm-hmm. So that's high life. The traditional music is high life. Everybody in Africa play high life, play music. Because music comes from the root. So all the jazz, funk, whatever calling, but blues is high life where you come from, Africa.
Yeah. And there is an important figure in high life. Il y a une figure très importante, un personnage important dans la musique high life. C'était Olaiya. Est-ce que vous pouvez nous parler de Olaiya?
Victor Olaiya is my godfather, who is still alive today. Olaiya is the one that make me know what high life be. So when I've been playing with Olaiya, I've been meet different artists from Nigeria. The old artists, Sonny Ade, playing juju music, Rex Lawson, Rex Williams. Even I've been meet E.T. Mensah from Ghana. So they all been playing high life. In Nigeria, the music everybody know will be read international all over Nigeria is high life. If you talk about something else, everybody say, are you playing high life? It's so open.
And yourself, you played with Olaya?
Yeah, I play with Olaya.
And Fela played with Olaya?
Fela played with Olaya. Rex Lawson, Rex Williams, even Olajo Julius. They all pass through Olaya band.
Alors, après, il y a eu la création de ce style. Fela l'a aidé à définir, mais vous étiez tous autour de Fela quand vous avez défini l'afrobeat. L'afrobeat, c'est un mélange de rythmes. Could you define afrobeat? Est-ce que vous pouvez nous définir l'afrobeat? Qu'est-ce que c'est que l'afrobeat?
You know, afrobeat music, Fela create afrobeat. He make it his own way. But when he find out it's from highlife, so Fela make it, call it afrobeat. Because by that time in Nigeria was different style of music happening. When Fela come back, he find no space to play what he want. So he start programming artists at NBC. He does his own way, playing jazz. He play concert without opening free-kid, just to find the style. That's how Fela been find his own style and play make Afrobeat.
Alors maintenant, nous allons visionner un petit sujet autour d'un groupe qui a été emblématique de l'Afrobeat en France, c'est Ghetto Blaster. Je vous propose qu'on regarde tout de suite ce sujet de Pascal Stoller.
Oh, French guys, they met me in Lagos because that time I've been playing with Fela Lamson Kuti. So we sell our tape to a French TV. So that make us come to France. That's how we form Ghetto Blaster. We call the name of the band Ghetto Blaster. So where was the first group, African group, playing Afrobeat in France. So we've been touring, playing a concert open for Jess Brown, Jimmy Cliff, playing a first part for Fela. So we've been doing a lot of shows. I've been trying to make sure that Ghetto Blaster, we don't change. We have to be in our own style. So we've been staying in a houseboat in Nojan. From Nojan, the boat belonged to the Stephen Mepierre father. So we've been, many bands from different artists always come to our boat to make party. So our boat was one of the best boat with like nightclub. Oh, what made Ghetto Blaster been stopped? It was changing of the style of the music. We don't have to change our style. We can't play like a jazz musician. We are Africans. I've been still continue with my own and still keeping the beat till today. The Afrobeat is still with me. That's what I'm doing, Afrobeat High Life Crossing. I've been making Afrobeat Ghetto Blaster. I make Time for High Life album. So I'm still the road. But now, everybody are playing Afrobeat in their own different way. So now, most of my brothers, when they're still alive, they find out that what I've been saying was true. The future in Afrobeat is the rhythm. If you don't know how to play rhythm, you can't make that music. You have to know how to play high life. You have to know how to play Fuji music. You have to know how to play all the rhythm so you can combine it together. I'm ready to show the new generation how to go into Afrobeat before Afrobeat fall apart. So we make a film called Ghetto Blaster, made by Stephen Mepierre. He was a good friend of mine, and he was the one brought me a ticket to come to France. So he was like my father. So he rests in peace. We miss him.
Alors Chief Udo et Yes7 préparent un nouvel album qui s'intitule Afrobeat High Life Crossing. Je te remercie Udo pour cette participation à notre émission. Je remercie aussi Sherry. Et nous nous retrouvons la semaine prochaine pour une nouvelle émission autour de la grande chanteuse malienne Oumou Sangaré. Pour l'instant, nous allons nous quitter sur une note musicale avec le morceau Bonsoué de Chief Udo et Sherry. Merci à tous les deux.
Inachokin in Beneje, inachokin in Benaka, inachokin in Demonia Nebeneje, inachokin in Beneje, inachokin in Demonia Nebenaka, inachokin when you move on sway, a bobo, yeah, a bobo, yeah, Mama Bonswe, Mama Siki, Ajikiji, yes, Mama Bonswe, Mama Siki. What the man go do? People go to talk. What the man go do? Brother, people go to talk. Man begin, they do like this. In a chucking African baby, in a chucking. In a demonia bandaka, in a chucking. Wanimu Bonswe, a bobo, yeah, a bobo, yeah, yes, yeah, Mama Bonswe, Mama Siki, Ajikiji, yes, yeah, Mama Bonswe, Abe, Bonswe, Abe, Bonswe, Abe, Bonswe, Abe, Aje, Bonswe, Abe, Bonswe, Abe.